Hey crafters and DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're addressing a common creative mishap, how to remove acrylic paint from fabric. But fret not, because I've got a simple DIY solution that'll rescue your favorite fabrics from those pesky paint stains. Let's dive right in. Acrylic paint on fabric can result from a fun crafting session gone awry. While acrylic paint is fantastic for artistic endeavors, it can be a real nuisance when it finds its way onto our clothes. But fear not, because we're about to tackle those stains head-on. Now, let's meet our stain-busting ingredients. First, let's create our stain-fighting concoction. Baking soda is a versatile household staple known for its gentle abrasive properties. It helps to lift stains and absorb odors. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda directly onto the affected area of the fabric. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives and cleaning agents, making it effective at breaking down and lifting stains. Apply a small amount of toothpaste onto the baking soda-covered area. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent and stain remover. Its acidic properties help to break down tough stains like acrylic paint. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste mixture. Now, rub all the ingredients vigorously into the fabric, ensuring they penetrate the fibers of the fabric. Use circular motions and apply gentle pressure to work the solution into the stained area. After thorough rubbing, you'll witness the magic. Those stubborn acrylic paint stains will vanish before your eyes. There you have it. A simple and effective DIY method for removing acrylic paint from fabric. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more crafting and cleaning solutions. And remember, sharing is caring. Until next time, happy crafting and stain busting!